Hey Bobcats, I'm Brian Kitisin.
I'm Hoffman from the Sage. I'm Brooke Vinzinski, captain of girls basketball.
I'm Nick Sonck, captain of boys basketball team.
And I'm Carla Kelliny with Bobsquad. Many sports are starting their season right now.
And with that, we just want to give you a quick refresher on how to be a great fan here at Sage Creek.
Oh my God!
Oh my gosh!
Always be spirited. All Bobsquad games have a theme, so come out in your best Bobcat apparel.
Let's go! Let's go!
Don't take it out on the refs. They probably just couldn't see it. They're human like you and me, and it's all just part of the game.
You'll have the chance. The Bobsquad leaders are going to have an insane chance to get both the players and the fans pumped for the game.
Posters are a great way to support the teams. They can be from catchy phrases, nicknames, or even a giant poster of a face, I guess.
Bring out positivity. Be as loud as you can, yelling out things to encourage our players.
Air ball! Air ball!
Yeah, that's not what we're looking for.
That's all we got for you today, Bobcats. Remember to stay loud, positive, and also come spirited.
So Carla, if students want to get more involved with Bobsquad, when's the next event?
Our next event is tomorrow at 7 against Poway for boys soccer. Be sure to dress in Bobcat pride. We want to see a lot of fans there, cheer loud, and just have a great time.
All right, well with that, let's send it back to the anchors.